Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will learn how to use Flash and how to write basic action scripts. For that, first of all, open the Macromedia Flash. To open Macromedia Flash, go to Start menu, select All Programs, go to Macromedia and open Macromedia Flash 8. We will continue as a trial, but if you have a product key you can install it, but we are continuing as a trial. Click on continue. This is the main window of Macromedia Flash 8. This is a menu bar, this is a toolbar, this is a property panel, and this is a window panel, and it is action panel. Now let's make a basic Flash document. You can create new Flash document by clicking it, or you can go to File menu and select New. Select Flash document and click OK. This is a timeline panel. We can create frames here. The normal rate of frames is 12 frames per second. We can change this rate by going to the document property, and we can change it here. Now to learn about action script, let's have a basic example. For that we are creating a text box. We will change the text of text box when SWF file plays. Select dynamic text property. Name the text box T1. Now let's write action script. For that we will select the frame 1 from timeline and right click on it. Go to action. Here we can write action script. Here there is a many functionality given by Flash. Here there are controls of ActionScript 1.0 and 2.0. We can add new item by clicking here. Here there is global functions, global properties, operators, statements, ActionScript classes, compiler directives, constants, types, data components, and screens. Now let's write basic ActionScript. We will change contents of text box when SWF file plays. So write T1 the name of text box dot text text property of the text box equal to in double quotation mark hello. And semicolon. Now let's run the action script. For that, for creating SWF file, press Ctrl plus Enter. See the output. We change the content of text box when SWF file is playing. Thank you for the watching tutorial.